Mabuhay! It's your girl Melanie. If you're new here, welcome! And just so you know, I will be starting to upload videos this coming February every Tuesday and Friday. So I will have two episodes every week, and it would be about lifestyle, beauty, or fashion. I can't wait for you guys to become a part of this friendship that I am building. So don't forget to subscribe, click the red button below. Don't forget to ring the bell for notification. So let's start to style your life with Goddess. This is the look of my face after I shaved it using this razor and my lavender essential oil. Wow, that's so quick, and my face is so smooth after that. I'll just have to polish it to make sure I didn't leave anything. what I think of this is a really good idea because it feels smoother. My face feels smoother, and I can't wait to put makeup and see how it turned out, because I've heard and I watched some YouTuber, they said if you shave your face and you put makeup, it's way better when you apply your makeup, because it's gonna be smoother and the makeup will stick properly on your face. So I can't wait to put on makeup. But anyways, I hope you guys had fun with this video. If you have any suggestion, just comment down below, and let's not forget to style your life with God. Bye!